Janon buge mag sirikal Nancy Gathungu oyango ni tend counties osebedo ka chiwo kwan mapiny mag omenda ma ginyalo choko kaka yo mar kwalo omenda modong'. Gathungu lero ni chenro makamano itimo kuom gwelo kembe mag ji giwegi mar choko osuru e counties go. Kaka jafwambo marwa Chris Owino leronwa, Gathungu nyiso komiti mar Senate ni governors bende ochugo account mag bengi mohewo 300 gino menyalo tigo de kwalo pes jopiny.
Janon buge mag piny owacho Nancy Gathungu oyango chenro mogor malong'o mar kwalo omenda mag jopiny kod sirikal mag counties. E nyim komiti mar od bura mar Senate, Gathungu oyango ni tend counties 47 osebedo ka chiwo kwan mapiny mag omenda maginyalo choko kaka osuru kaka yo mar lal kod omenda mamoko.
And you've seen probably in some of my reports that I'm now questioning the amount that the service providers are indicating as revenue raised for the entities. Because in there you have systems that we are sometimes told had some downtime. And you know that downtime revenue was still being collected. Or we have commissions that are way above what should have been deducted. And sometimes it comes out because there's underestimation of the revenue. So it's an area we are looking at with my data science team.
Governors bende oyudore ni osebedo ka miyo kembe mag ji giwegi orak mar choko negi osuru e chenro machielo mar keto omenda mamoko e ofuko margi.
Some of these service providers are a bit reluctant to share the information, but we are saying if you have been hired or recruited or procured to provide these services, then that system you're using to collect revenue should be under public scrutiny because you're collecting revenue for public services and these are public funds.
Komitino ma otelne kod Senator ma Vihiga Godfrey Otsorsi bende onyis kod Nancy Gathungu ni gope makor gilach mibandho sirikal mag counties en yo machielo mar mayo jopiny omenda. Gathungu wacho ni kata odoko ni omenda makamago osebedo kaleo, counties duto gikone to yudo pok margi mar omenda egiko hik omwom.
So they should not say they have pending bills that has been pending for the last 2, 3, 4, 5 years. Because do you have any outstanding funding for counties for 2023, 22-23? We don't. Maybe we have to for 23-24. When we top up or we add up all the pending bills for all the counties, does it amount to the billions that are yet to be released for the last quarter?
I think it's a brilliant concept that we must now start considering pending bills as part of debt, to the extent that it should be a first charge to counties. Damo Lekina had actually brought a motion in the House that had passed that wants to ensure that counties do deal with the issue of pending bills for once and for all.
Gathungu medo wacho ni okang' mar counties bedo gi accounts mag bengi mokalo 10 nyalo bedo rot machielo mar tiyo marach kod omenda mag jopiny.
We should minimize bank accounts. We should have 1 or 2 revenue accounts, their expenditure accounts. We don't need 300. First of all, you lose track. You put money there. Sometimes you forget that there's money there, and then you come and in some of my reports, you'll see where there's reallocations from this account to another account.
E report mare, jachan budget maduong' mar sirikal Margaret Nyakango ne oywago moko kuom counties man kod accounts mag bengi mohewo 300 kaka county ma Nairobi. Chris Owino, Ramogi TV, Nairobi.